Hello friends, welcome back. This is Manish Pandey, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to get values from the drop down. So you'll see here that I have opened one web page, and in this I have different drop down. This is credit card type, so we have a different values. So if you are looking for this value, like you want to capture all this value and write to somewhere, to a notepad or to Excel file, then you can do this is possible. So in this video I'm going to tell you about all these things. So basically, each drop down, these are different drop down. I can show you how to get the values from these drop downs, right? So first I'm going to show you the demo. So let me run this. So you'll see here it will go and capture all this date of birth months, and it will write to the output. So you'll see here it has captured all this month, January to December, right? So if you want to do the same thing and you want to capture the value from drop down, you can do this using find children activity. So let me show you. Let me delete this first, and let me take one sequence so that I can show you the use of this find children. And so this is one of the example. If you are looking for the example of find children, so you can go through this. So I can say get value from drop down. So first we need this drop down. So I want to get value from this drop down. So first I'm going to take find children activity, find children, and then what you need to do, you need to just click on indicate on screen and click on that drop down, right? After that, here in the output children, press Ctrl K and write here drop down elements, right? So it will store all this drop down child elements, UI elements, to this variable, and this is IEnumerable UI element. Now after that we need to get one by one value from this IEnumerable variable. So we'll take here for each activity, and here we'll select from the type argument, we'll select uipath.core.UI element, and in this I can pass here UI element. So for each UI element in drop down elements. Now in this do section, in this body part, we will take one get attribute. So with the help of get attribute and find children activity, we can extract the value from drop down. We will go to the target, and here in the element we'll write UI element, that is coming from here, from this for each, and here in the attribute we have few attributes. Now we need to decide which attribute we need to select here to get the value from that drop down. Let me take UI Explorer, indicate on element, click on this credit card type, and now you'll see here left side in the property explorer we have inner text and outer text. So we want to capture the outer text which is showing here in this drop down. So we want to capture this, so we can take here, you can see we can use outer text. Let me show you here. So here if we'll go here, click on this and try to find if that is available or not. So we have inner text and we have outer text. We'll just take this and here in the result output we'll take one, press Ctrl K, and we'll put the variable name, that is drop down value. Now if you want to write these drop down values to the text file, then what you have to do, go to the activities and write here append text, append line, you can take here, and now here we can click on this folder, we can take any file name. So I'm going to write here drop down and click on save. Here in the text must be quoted, here we can put that variable, that is drop down value. So here you are thinking that why I have not taken write text file activity, because write text file is just used to write the data to the Notepad file or to the existing text file. So every time whenever the new data will be added, so that will overwrite, it means the existing data will be deleted and new data, current data will be written to that. But we want all this data which is available here, we want all this data to the Notepad. So for that we have to take append line, so one by one it will write append to that text file. Now let me run this, Ctrl F5. Open this and you can see now we have all these data available. Now the other things, there are other type of drop down also I can show you here. So if you want to capture the value, let's say from this card expiration date, if you want to capture all this value from here, then you can see here, let me indicate on element, click on this 2019, and you will see here we can also take outer text, that is showing here, right, outer text, and you can also take value there. So why I am saying that value also will work here, first let me show you. In the instead of outer text we can take here value, and you see it will get the data from there. So let me now indicate on this one, and now let me run this, and then after that I will tell you about that why I have taken value there. So you can see all these data have been written to this drop down text file, right? So here I have taken value, but if you want to get the value from this drop down, so value attribute will not work here. Now let me show you that. Right click on this and click on inspect, click on this, and now here let me go to this year, and you can see if I will click on this select, we have an option value equal to 2019. It means this is the attribute value of this option tag. It means now we can use value attribute to get this value 2019, 20, 21. Now if I'm going to indicate on this credit card type, and you'll see here if you will use value here, then you will be just getting 0, 9, 6 like that. So that's why each drop down has a different attribute. So if you want to capture based on value, you can see there the value that is used in the HTML coding. Otherwise outer text or inner text will also work to take the data from the drop down value. So I hope you will like this video. If you really like this, then please press the like button, and if you have not subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe it and share with your friend also, so that they can also learn UiPath easily. Thank you guys.